We will guide you through how to use ChatGPT with Confluence. Quick disclaimer: skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open your browser on your computer and make sure the browser is ready before proceeding. Go to 𝗟𝗟𝗞𝗘/software/confluence and wait for the homepage to load completely. Open the space that you want to use, making sure you have selected the correct Confluence space before continuing. To use ChatGPT with Confluence, open ChatGPT in a new browser tab so you can configure the integration separately. Click Plugins in the left sidebar to open the available plugin options. Click the search bar and type Atlassian to find the available Atlassian integrations. Select 𝗟𝗟𝗏 from the search results to open its plugin details. Click Install Plugin to begin installing the 𝗟𝗟𝗏 plugin. Click Approve to grant access to the requested app and allow the plugin to connect with the required services. Click Accept to confirm the installation and continue with the setup process. Click Try and Chat to open the plugin and use 𝗟𝗟𝗏 directly within ChatGPT. To use 𝗟𝗟𝗏 with Confluence, type Atlassian to display the available Atlassian options. Select 𝗟𝗟𝗏 from the search results to activate the integration for your request. Enter a prompt according to your needs. For this example, create a project timeline page using the prompt shown in the video. Click the Send button to submit the prompt and send your request to 𝗟𝗟𝗏. Click Allow once to authorize the requested action and permit the integration to perform the specified task in Confluence. ChatGPT will now process your request and perform the specified action. Return to Confluence. Open the page that was created by ChatGPT. You have now successfully used ChatGPT with Confluence.